Hello friends, in this video we will see how to install Jupyter notebook. But before that you have to install Python, which we have already installed in previous video. The link is given in the description where you can see how to install Python. So let us start how to install Jupyter notebook. Simply you have to go to the command prompt cmd, where you have to write down the command is python -m pip install Jupyter Jupyter. It's install ins. Now see, it's downloading here. Now you see it's been successfully installed. Ignore this warning and write down here to start Jupyter notebook. Write down Jupyter notebook. Now see, it's opening in browser. You can go here, new, and write down the program here. For example, we write down the simple program print. Hello. And if you write down, if you enter, it can reach to the next line, but if you use shift plus enter, it will run the program. See, shift enter. See, the program is running successfully. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.